Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm explaining how to display this pattern. See, whenever we look at the pattern, just how every pattern starts with. Each row starts with the same value or different value. It's a different value. Whenever it is different value, changing means varying. Take one variable I. So every row starting with a different value, that is I. But every row ending with the same value, that is 1. Every row ending with the same value, that is 1. So whenever you are printing using inner loop, every row starting with I and every row ending with 1. But see, look at the row 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 decreasing. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, every time decreasing to 1, so j minus minus. Look at the row. When row values are decreasing means j minus minus you have to write. Every row starting with a different value, that is starting from I. Every row ending with the same value, that is 1. Sir, now just write what is I. I value first 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5. So I value you have to repeat from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. That is outer loop. And inside you know that printing that j value, printing that j, and to send the control to the next line, system.out.println we are writing. This is the simple way of displaying this pattern. Hope you understood. Please follow. Thank you.